Hello dear traders, this is Catherine Main and Fresh Forex Company. Glad to see you right behind the monitor. So, let's start. Let's start with the pair of the euro and the US dollar. The release by the IFO Institute can be a little worse than it was expected. The reason is that PMI composite index by market institution was released below the median forecast. The sales in the commodity market usually support US dollar because the cost of commodities is denominated in the US currency. Thus, the trend is downward. The ADX indicator on the daily chart shows the uptrend, whereas on the 4-hourly chart and hourly chart it shows flat. RSI indicator on the daily, 4-hourly and hourly chart shows flat, and my recommendation is to trade inside the flat 1.1245, 1.1295, which corresponds to the Bollinger Bands range on the hourly chart. The next pair is the pound and the US dollar. On the one hand, yield of the 10 years UK bonds is growing against the US and German bonds, which is positive for the pound. On the other hand, yesterday oil closed the day in the red zone, and the negative trend is still relevant, which will put the pair under pressure. Thus, it is flat. ADX indicator on the daily and hourly charts shows flat. On the 4-hourly chart, it is the uptrend. RSI indicator on the daily, 4-hourly and hourly charts show flat. And my recommendation is to trade inside the flat 1.3200, 1.3265, which corresponds to the Bollinger Bands range on the hourly chart. And finally, the dollar and the Japanese yen. The growth of the index of fear VIX by 8.6% for the third trading day in a row signals a possible inflow of capital into safe assets, which usually the Japanese yen is related to. Thus, the trend is downward. Both indicators, ADX and RSI, show flat on the daily, 4-hourly and hourly charts, and my recommendation is to open sell trades at the level 100.55 and take profit at the level 100.15. Subscribe for my daily video analysis. I wish you good luck in trading.